somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, next to the pain, we can change the last name. What's happening?
You look so good.
Yeah, baby, I want you in the.
Slow, bro. This the guy that was going fast. He's doing 90 on the freeway. On the street. He was doing 90, and then he randomly stopped, and then decided to go left. He trying to run away, trying to act like his neck and back hurting, when it's really his fault. Turn around, bro, before I beat your ass. Turn around before I beat your ass, boy. Nah, nigga. Nah, I'm about ready to beat your ass, boy. I'm about ready to beat your ass, boy. You should never did that shit. Nah, bro.
Hey, bro, he's not trying to fuck with you. You want to fuck with somebody, fuck with me, bitch.
Oh, you don't want this, bro.
I ain't gonna let you just beat somebody up like you big and bad. I know he did something wrong, but that's uncalled for, son. That's immature.
No, I'm saying, he just told me to record everything.
I know you're upset and shit, man.
He just told me to record
You got
everything.
him scared, dude.
I'm sorry, I'm just as scared, bro.
I know, man. That's your car and shit, bro.
Guys, this is your bad.
Everybody's standing outside. What the fuck you want me to do? Smoke your cigarette, bro. What do you want me to do? Dude driving all fast and then he trying to play defense. Like, what the fuck? You recorded me? I'm okay. This shit crazy, boy. Oh my God, bro.
All right, sir. This particular intersection.
Oh my God, I can't look at this no more, bro. Jesus.
Being here quite often. Can you cut it a little bit to the right?
To the right? Yeah.
No, right. It doesn't turn, huh?
Nah. It's not turning?
No. That's because the actual.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Goof ass nigga fucked up my car with his bitch ass. I feel like I'm going on a roller coaster. Everything all right? Okay. You said the wheel ain't working. Oh, okay. Okay. I wanted to gamble with this extra money that I had. I worked my ass off for extra play money, and now it's no longer play money. I know y'all heard that. That don't sound like play money. More bills. Okay. This shit's so embarrassing, bro. Look at everybody trying to show up and shit. This what LA feel like when there's too much going on. People can stop what they're doing to see what you're doing. Okay.
Now you can get out of the car.
I can get out the car. Okay. You see them right there?
You can shut it off if you
That's
want it.
yeah. See them? That's what we talking about. People be nosy. That's why I was trying to hurry up. Damn, look at this shit, bro. You got something hooked right there too.
Yeah.
Okay. Goof ass nigga. Goof ass nigga that fucked up my food. Yeah. So, do we fix the light too, or what? I mean, this shit look worse than it was.
There's a, you know, over there in Sun Valley, it's a bunch of junkyards, so you can get a complete bumper with the lights.
How would I do that though? Like, I don't fix cars or nothing. I don't know anything.
Well, just Google it where you can find the parts for the model and everything. Another place to get the parts.
Word. But who? What I'm saying is, who fixes this stuff?
Huh?
I'm saying, who fix this type of stuff? Cause you saying body arts and I don't know nothing. I just drive.
You can ask the same guy.
Huh?
You can ask the same guy he's gonna fix you actually. You know they got connections to all kind of.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. And this type of stuff, they can lift this up?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Right. Sometimes I just ask myself, why? Why?
You say the car is in park, huh?
Huh?
The car is in park.
Yeah, it's in park. Huh? Okay. Let me chill up. It's nothing holding the wheel?
The only thing that's holding the wheel is this wire.
Okay, other than that, it's nothing. Okay. Now that I know that mobile mechanic can do it for like 2 or something, I can sell it. The whole bumper?
Yeah, it's coming complete with the lights, I think. It's a place over there in Hollywood. You can get it up to market, brand new, but I don't know how much. It's over there by Sherman Way in Lower Canyon.
What's the name of the shop?
It's not a shop, it's like a store.
They bumping the molly, they popping the purse. Having some fun on the beautiful tours. Bothering me like I don't got no work. She digging me though I can tell by her smirk. Not to be rude, cannot be glued. Get to the money and that is the move. Biting the style from Hawk, I'm the dude. Say it's my time, it's been over. You already know who it is, man. It's your boy Imari Reynolds.
Visuals is finally available for you guys to see. Make sure y'all go check it out on YouTube, as well as the song is available on all music platforms.
What is going on? It's your boy Imari Reynolds from Day in the Life of Imari Reynolds, and I am here to let you know that we have merch available on the shop page. That is correct. We have merch available in all sizes. We have sweaters, t-shirts, tank tops, socks, cups, anything you need, we got it right here. You can even check out my Instagram right here where you can see all the latest features of our products, and we have it only for limited time only, so do not hesitate. Go get your merch today. Yeah, let's get it.
Hey yo, so check this out, man. I got a new channel. It's called Imari Reynolds Music, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe and share with y'all friends. Man, we got more things just dropping on the way, man.